Well, I took some pictures up here on the hill. See, one thing about it, I mean, it's cool, very relaxing up here. Great Friday on the 12th day, the day after 24 years ago. Yesterday, we were attacked. It's a beautiful day to walk around, make a video. 10, 50 people are gonna watch. Just enjoy life in general. Wearing a Vikings hat, my cowboy shirt. My wife's team plays Sunday against Atlanta Fakers. Saw the trucks were in town on Thursday. Saw the semis there, so there's the booging around the carts down there. Braemar Golf Course is nice. It's a fun golf course. But yeah, it doesn't have that tranquility that they have at the one by my house, but still fun. I'm a whore for public golf courses, Burger King, mini putting, travel. I love public golf courses. I mean, I used to be a good golfer when I played a lot. When I play a lot, it's all about muscle memory. Muscle. Did I say muzzleman or whatever? But that's what's fun. I love par threes. Rich Acres used to be they tried it off with the golf course. That was a great little par three golf course. They had a driving range. We used to go across the street at CDP, Mr. Walensky's place, and I'd go there after work and play the par three. Played Fort Snelling, that golf course 2 years ago. Then I'll play that golf course again. We don't take care of it anymore. City owns it. I wonder how old these trees are. I think there's a way you can check sometimes when the trees get cut down. The redwood trees are the best. Leaves are turning already. Minnesota, there's one up. We went for a walk yesterday, and they were turning already. A couple were. Guaranteed in the weekend, this place gets a ton of bicyclists. Guarantee it. So that one that bike the guy was on. Cruising right along, baby. So this is like a little rock formation over here. Oh, so this is where I went. This is where I was at. Right over there, my last video. So you can tell you can. So that's you can cruise, come up over here, come down here. Guy's way up there. Top of that hill. Let's cut through here. I think that goes more towards the highway, I think. Got to listen for the bicyclists when they come through. Make sure you hear them coming. Here comes a bicyclist right now. A couple more coming. Here they come. Oh, he's going the other way. They're cutting through where I cut through. Little jump here, up and over. Yeah, playing golf there, over there at Braemar. They expanded it to 9 holes, and they have a really nice par 3, nice driving range, nice complex. I think they have 4 rinks now at Braemar, I think. So, I was reffing hockey. They have a big girls program. U10s were huge. That's why their high school team is so good. A lot of the girls or boys don't go for private schools. They stay in Edina. They play for their city. So, yep. There it is down there. Yeah, there's all kinds of good stuff, all kinds of good hills and stuff. Guaranteed you get hurt here. No suing, it's your own damn fault. People come on here if it's wet, they won't care. Here comes a bicyclist right now. How's the biking business?
Wow. Oh, good.
All right, don't hurt yourself. There he goes. Looks like he's having the time of his life. Good for him. Some really cool trees. Say, you ever go to the redwood trees? Trees of mystery. I mean, the Heartbreak was there this year. I didn't see the video, but I've been there. It's cool. Great place. Redwood forest. Once you see a redwood, or Sequoia, where they call it one, don't see that tree again. And they're down there hitting some golf balls. Oh yeah, nice Friday afternoon. Good for them. Probably walk down there and take the trail or the other place. Yeah, it goes, there's another hill up here, and that goes probably over there, another area. So I think it's a big complex, which I'm not going to give you 10 videos doing that. It's figured to give you something for fun in November. But, there he is, going down. Having the time of his life. Just don't get killed. Some of these places have a lot of burrs in my backyard. A lot of burrs. So we go up into there too as well. So hell yeah. Walking with the bikes, man. Anyways, anywho's, we'll see you in the next one, all right?